With the pride, we announce that our Bahraini private aviation company, Executive Lifestyle, has on their board leading private jet travel experience and our travel awards for the second time. This achievement show Bahrain's strong position in the private aviation. We thank our government for its support and our dedicated time for their hard work. They went at a new beginning, and we are promised to keep improving and offering top quality service.
Thank you and congratulations.
And Evan, this is one of the truly pleasure moment for us to receive the award right here in Bahrain, and it is a great opportunity. And also, I thank the World Travel Award for the incredible bonus. And on behalf of Executive Lifestyle, we are proud to be named the world's leading private jet travel experience for the second time. And our heartfelt thanks to our clients and partners with their trust, and our amazing team for their dedication and passion. Also, we extend our deepest gratitude to our King Hamad, His Majesty King Hamad bin Khalifa, and His Royal Highness Prince Hamad bin Hamad Al Khalifa, and His Excellency Sheikha Fatima Al Saraifi for advancing aviation in Bahrain. That's it. Thank you very much.